Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Appa have few pieces of 九节虾, big prawns here, deep sea big prawns here. This is 1 kg, I think only about 12 to 15 pieces, so it's actually quite big. So I'm going to make it into soya sauce prawn. Alright, si yao wong tai ha. Use premium soya sauce. So what you need to do with the prawn is you need to devein it, and then if your prawn is really big, try to slit it, slice it deeper so that the flavor can go in better. Then, of course, you remove the leg and also the pointy part. And I have a few pieces of old ginger here and some white portion of the spring onion. Condiment, I'm going to use some Vietnamese premium fish sauce, premium light soya sauce, Shaoxing wine, and some dark soya sauce for the color. First of all, let's give it some vegetable oil and heat it up. Once the wok is heated up, we can put in the ginger and half of the spring onion. I'm going to saute this for a minute, for about 30-40 seconds before we continue. After a while, push the ginger aside, put in the prawn. I'm going to add in some premium light soya sauce. For added flavor, some premium Vietnamese fish sauce. For more fragrance and remove the fishiness, I'm going to add in some Shaoxing wine. For the color, I'm going to put in some dark soya sauce. Let it stay for a while before we flip it to the other side. This is after about 1 minute. I'm going to flip it over. Oh, look at the beautiful caramelized color. That's the caramelized color from the dark soya sauce especially. Close the lid. Tune down the fire a little bit. Let it simmer for another about 1.5 minutes. Why is it so easy to make the prawn become mushy? That is when you cook it for too long. Usually, most of the prawn, regardless of the size, it will take about maximum cooking time between 3 to 4 minutes. That's all. Don't cook it for more than that. All right. Now it's already total cooking time coming to 2 minutes plus already, almost there. Some more, I use a lid to cover. So it's actually baked, steam at the same time. This after another 1 minute plus. Right. This is not chow tai, this is actually the caramelized color from the dark soya sauce especially. Right before serving, I'm just going to give it some final bits of Shaoxing wine at the side. Done. I nearly forget, I still have some spring onion towards the end. So here's my very simple soya sauce prawn today. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.